Welcome to our Git tutorial. In this video, we will demonstrate 3 essential tasks for branching in Git: creating branches, merging branches, and switching branches. Branching allows you to work on different parts of your project simultaneously without affecting the main codebase. Let's start by creating a new branch. Branches allow you to develop features, fix bugs, or experiment with new ideas in isolation from the main project. In your terminal, type git branch feature branch to create a new branch named feature branch. Git branch -n to see all branches. This command creates a new branch, but you're still on the main branch. To start working on the new branch, you need to switch to it. Next, let's switch to our new branch to start working on it. In the terminal, type git checkout feature branch to switch to the feature branch. Now, you are on the feature branch, and any changes you make will be isolated from the main branch. Finally, let's merge our feature branch back into the main branch. Merging integrates the changes from one branch into another. First, switch back to the main branch by typing git checkout main. Now that we're on the main branch, we can merge the feature branch. Type git merge feature branch to merge the feature branch into the main branch. The changes from feature branch are now integrated into the main branch. If there are no conflicts, the merge completes automatically. To recap, we've covered how to create branches, switch between branches, and merge branches in Git. These skills are essential for managing multiple features and collaborating effectively on projects. Thank you for watching. In our next video, we'll explore advanced Git techniques and best practices. Stay tuned.